Hi guys, as you all know, Christmas is upon us, or do you have any party you're planning? Let's make this perfect fried rice for your guests. This fried rice can be made during birthday, dinner, lunch, breakfast, Christmas, anytime, any day of the week. Here are the recipe and everything you need is down in description below. Put some oil in a pot. Pour in your chopped onions. Stir and let it saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 minutes, pour in your washed rice. Pour in some thyme, curry, salt, seasoning powder, and stir. We're gonna fry this for about 5 to 7 minutes on a medium to low heat to avoid burning. After 7 minutes, I'll be adding in my chopped scotch bonnet. I like some it. If you don't like it, you can skip this part. Mint stock and stir. My rice got burned a little bit, but not to worry. Nothing is affected. I'll be adding water to help cook the rice tender. I'll be cooking this rice for about 20 minutes. In a pan, I'll be adding some cooking oil and I'll be pouring in my pre-cooked cow liver cut into pieces. I'll be frying this for about 2 to 3 minutes, but not too dry. We want to avoid that. We don't want our liver to be too dry. After 3 minutes, I'll be transferring this into a bowl and put my pan back on the heat. I'll be adding some more cooking oil in the pan and pour in my ginger and garlic paste. I'll be pouring in my chopped red bell peppers, the yellow one and the green one. I'll be frying this for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'll be transferring my bell peppers into the same bowl I pour my liver and place the pan back on the heat. I'll be adding some oil. I'll be pouring in my chopped carrot, pour in sweet corn, green peas. We'll stir fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'll be pouring in my bell peppers and liver. I'll be pouring in my remaining seasoning powder, salt, pour in spring onions, and stir fry for about 3 minutes. Add bay leaves, at this point my rice is tender and I'll be transferring it into my veggies. It's time to combine the veggies and rice all together. Wow, this looks so good and it tastes so good. You don't want to miss this recipe. You have to try it out, guys, because the taste is marvelous. You can never go wrong with this recipe. I mean, it has all the vitamins, all the veggies, all the nutrients that you need. It has protein. Come on, guys. Make this today and tell me how yummy it tastes